Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. I am the owner and creator here at Midwest Charm. We have a little boutique storefront in Main Street, Pine City, Minnesota. We offer upcycled and repurposed home decor, furniture, and gifts. And you can find us on all the social medias, which are linked below, as well as our website, which is linked below, www.midwestcharm.co. You can contact us by email, midwestcharm10@gmail.com. If you see anything that you would like to purchase, we will invoice you. Give me a minute. I'm not sure whose car that is. Okay. If you see anything you like, we can invoice you and get you set up and ship it out to you. Otherwise, you can purchase your DIY goods and gifts from the website. Today, we are going to be doing another video on vignettes, and we are on part 3, you guys. We are going to be going over varying heights in a vignette. So far we have gone over color matching, odd numbers, and today is varying heights. And we've talked before about how you want to have your vignettes so that people want to reach in and touch it, because if they touch it, their chances of buying it increase. And as you can see, actually right up here, you can see different vignettes that are odd numbered, 3 different heights. Odd number, 3 different heights. This one's missing a piece because it's sold, but there was a little, I think a planter right here. But you got the varying heights, and it would have been odd numbers. So the reasoning for those varying heights is that your eye will travel up and down. I'm going to turn you guys around. Okay, if you can look at this wall, I always make sure when I am setting up a wall, we have a really small space, you guys. So I have to be very careful how I set up my vignettes, and we make sure that we have our varying heights. So we have a taller, a medium, small, and then back up to a medium, with the mirror adding some height. And then this is taller than the main piece of here. So I'm always doing this because your eye travels then with those pieces of furniture, and you're catching more of the items that are on top of it. And if we go over here, again, we have the taller and the medium, but we also have the mirror and the stuff on top at varying heights too, so your eyes travel. So that is very important, not only in the big scheme, but in the small as too. We're going to go back to this vignette. We have varying heights. We have the stack of the books, the stack of the little bunny planter, and the picture with the greenery. So we have the 3 heights, and your eye is going to travel through this whole little area, checking out each one of those pieces. The same with in here. Your eye is going to travel because you've got the different heights going on, not only in the tote, but the tote itself. I don't know why these are over here. I'll have to move those. That's like overcrowded right now. Let's see. We've got the vase, this stand with the little bird, and then this one with the nest. So we've got the 3 heights, and your eye is going to travel in this circle, and you're going to catch more of what is there. And the same within the bowl even. Your eye is going to travel because those are different heights. I don't know if you can see that, but they definitely are. And back over on to, I know I've used this a lot, but you guys, this has got some great examples of small vignettes. We have our elephant, the book, and the little frame that's up higher. We have these items in your eyes traveling in that circle to check out all the items in there. And the same with here. Your eye is going to travel because you have those varying heights, and your eye is going to want to see them all. And the same with that. And you guys can see, along with the other items we've talked about, we have our color match with the beaks and the butterfly, and again, the butterfly and the little tiny Bible. And then we've got odd numbers all in there, so you can check out the varying heights. Here we used a nest and some bowls to add the height so that we had a bit more varying height in there, so everything wasn't all one dimension and at the same level. Same with there. We've got the little 3 here. We've got the tall being added in with those spools. And this actually was tucked back. I never put it back after we used that last time. But we've got there. And again, the 3. And your eye is going to travel. So those, let me turn you around. So again, we've gone over color matching, odd numbers, and varying heights. And varying heights on a large scale and on the small scale. It's important in both, so make sure you're doing both. If you have any questions, you guys, as we're going along, make sure to ask. I'm more than happy to share, give you any tips or information I might have. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.